I invite Dr. Malathi Lakshmikumaran to give the vote of thanks.
It's my honor to do the vote of thanks today. We are really honored with the esteemed presence of Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Thanks for sparing your time. I know it's very important, but I think we are really honored and to have the esteemed presence of the Chief Minister. Thanks, Dr. Ajit Parulekar, for coming over and talking about the green tech. I know I worked for 25 years at Tata Energy Research Institute under the guidance of Dr. Pachauri, and I know the value of green tech. I'm so happy that the Goa government, your institute are all taking green technology to be the core area for the next generation, for climate, as well as for job creation. We have Gregory Evalu, Juhat Watkins, Dr. Heinz Godar, Praveen Anand, and Dr. Dhanpat Agarwal. Thanks for you, and also Ashwini. I also take the opportunity to thank all the participants who have come for the 14th GIPC conference from India and also from nearly 14 different countries. We also thank Dhanpat Agarwal for choosing Goa. I think it's a great time to have the carnival and to also have yoga right here on this beach. And I think people, please go and enjoy and have fun at the carnival as well. I'm happy that Ajit did one very nice statement that if every student can take it back, at least 10% of the students can take it back to the place that they work, and I wish every student takes it back to their home and you can practice it at home, green technology. I was very happy with Praveen Anand on this nice, where he brought out about ChatGPT, but also giving the importance of science and technology. I think without innovation, I don't think green technology or health sector can ever go forward. And therefore, I think it's very important what brought out by Sir C.V. Raman, as well as that technology, science has to be in your blood, it has to be in your environment, it has to be at your home for you to actually flower and become a good scientist. It's also very nice when I heard the word quantum, because Raman Research Institute is doing quantum computing in a big way, and I'm sure it will help in green technology, it will help in telecommunications and so on. Finally, the Honorable Chief Minister did state that the future for India, future for Goa is green technology. It's good for the climate, it's also good for job creation, but very important that without innovation, we cannot move forward. And that in the COP26, Government of India has used the word Panch Amrit, and that also he brought out very well. And so we need to take bold initiatives so that we can move in green technology, more important for climate, but also to have R&D, which was something fantastic, sir, that you brought out. What Praveen said, that science and technology, what Ajit said about green technology, I'm very happy to hear that you are one having floating solar, but you're also giving a lot of impetus to R&D. I think we really thank you for that. And if every state can follow that, it will be really, really good. I know patent pools and others, but I think with all this, it's so nice to hear Heinz Godar saying that we need a patent pool. We don't have to fight, but can we have common goods to use patents so that we help the society to overcome climate change and also health problems. Thank you, every one of you all, and also the organizers for coming here and spending your weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday here. So please enjoy the GIPC convention and the carnival. Thanks, everyone.